setting the time and date. To set the time and date on the GA-2000, in the timekeeping mode, hold down the adjust button until the set starts to flash on this subdial here. So here we go. And there it is. Now currently we are setting a time zone. You can change your time zone by pressing these two buttons, rotating it from the 31 cities on the timetable. Now I'm gonna leave it at Paris because that's my time zone. Next up would be the daylight saving time, and pressing the mode button we shift to that function. Now as we can see, the DST mark is flashing and the hand adjusting is also blinking. Now to switch the daylight saving time between on and off, press the lower right button and it will shift from on to off. Currently it's in my time zone, it's off, so I'm gonna stay at that. Next, pressing the mode button gets us to shifting between the 24-hour and 12-hour format. Again, pressing the start button shifts between 12 and 24-hour format. Next up, pressing the mode button again shifts us to the seconds, and we can reset the seconds value by pressing the start button. Pressing the mode button again gets us to the hour setting, and we can adjust the value of your hours by pressing these two buttons. I'm gonna leave at mine current setting, but you get the point. Next step would be pressing the mode button again, and we are at the minute setting. Again, pressing these two buttons will increase or decrease the value of settings. Pressing it again gets us to the year setting. Again, pushing or pressing these two buttons will increase or decrease the value of year setting. Pressing it again, we enter the month setting. The procedure is the same. Gonna leave it at January. Again, pressing the mode button gets us to the month setting, to the day setting, sorry. And again, procedure is the same. So today is 8th of January. Then pressing it again, we have over here inscribed key, and that stands for the key note or the tone when operating a watch. How to shift that function? Well, pressing the lower right button, and when it's mute, the arrow will appear over here, or I don't know what's this, but it's a logo or dot. I'm gonna leave the key on. Pressing it again lights up this display, or this display over here is active, and this one says it's lighting. So currently it's set at 1. By pressing it, I can increase the value of, or the duration of, when I press the L button, the lighting duration of the watch. Pressing it again gets us back to 1 second, and that would be the illumination duration. Pressing the mode button again gets us back to the beginning and setting the home city, your current home city settings. Once we are done with the old procedure, press the adjust button, and we are currently in our time zone, or the preset values that we have currently ran through. Adjusting hand positions. The watch hands can go out of the alignment with the time on the digital display if it's exposed to the strong magnetism or impact. If this happens, you should adjust the hand positions. In the timekeeping mode, hold down the A button until the sub starts to flash, and release the A until the adjust until when it starts to flash. If the mode hand is not pointed at the adjustment point mark, and that's this at 9 o'clock, use the reset or the start button to move it there. Hold down the either button to move the hands to the correct position. Now my hand mode is adjusted correctly, so there's no need for me to position it correctly. But you get the point. By pressing these two buttons, you have to align this mark over here with the arrow. Now, next step would be to press the mode button, and when pressing the mode button, I'm gonna shift to the hour and minute hand setting. If the hour and minute hands are not at 12 o'clock, I'm gonna use the reset or the start button to adjust their position. And as you can see, my hands are aligned perfectly. But to show you, I'm gonna show how it goes. By pressing these two, I'm gonna move the watch's hands to the correct position. And press A when it's all start, press the adjust button or the A button to get to the timekeeping mode. Once again, check to make sure the time indicated by the hands match the time on the digital display. If the times don't match, perform the correction procedure above again. And how we are going to see that? Well, first of all, let's wait until the time is set. It's 7:44 and pressing the start button. I'm gonna go, and yes, the digital time is correct with the analog time displayed.